Hello friends, Microsoft Excel provides you very short formulas for getting numbers of dates and times. We will use first now formula. Now is equal bracket start and bracket close. You can get here date and time in a single cell. Now we will use the formula of today is equal today bracket start bracket close, and when we will press enter you can see you can get only date here, and if you want to only get day from date then you can use the formula of day as well. You can also use the formula of month by using month bracket start and click on date. You can get the month's number, and last we will use a year formula to find the total number. So here is our formula of getting date and time of by using Microsoft Excel. Please like video and share and subscribe channel if you like this. I will upload more videos on this channel, so keep in touch to view more useful formulas of Microsoft Excel. Thanks.